How to add transitions in CapCut. To add transitions in CapCut, you primarily use the transition icon located between your video clip on the timeline. Open up CapCut onto your device, and there you just want to make sure to go to Edit section, and you want to go ahead and locate the existing project, or you could add in a new one. Over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and locate the transition point. That means to locate this, you have to open up this or tap onto the timeline. As you could see, this square icon with a dash on it, this is your transition point. Now this is going to be the starting, right? So I'm going to actually add the transitions to my ending. Here it is, the ending. You just want to make sure to select that. Now, what you want to do is you can simply tap the white icon to open the transition section. So this is how you're supposed to do it. You just want to go ahead and look for it. Now, what you need is you could just browse category like overlay, movement, or blur. You just want to tap the thumbnail. You have these effects and all that. You could go ahead and look for it. And I'm just going to go ahead and add in video effects. Let's see, this is going to be the end of it. And once I've actually done it, so I have to make sure to add it to my favorites if I want to do it. And now you just want to make sure to tap the tick, and this way you're supposed to add transitions in CapCut. You could do the same thing for the rest of the other portion as well. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.